Welcome to Linux Help, how to install VLC on Debian 12. VLC is a cost-effective, cross-platform multimedia player and framework that supports playback of a wide range of multimedia files and streaming protocols. Check the OS version by using following command. Install the VLC media player by using following command. Go to Open VLC. Click Continue. The VLC media player dashboard shown. This is the steps to install VLC media player on Debian 12. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries kindly mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.